What's going on, guys? Jeff here with Stack Welding, and today we're working on the tube bender. So guys, I've been working on this thing a little bit off camera, getting some things tacked in place. I got my tabs for the jack all tacked up, a hole drilled in here for this pin for the jack. This thing's just about ready to get welded up. This design is pretty overkill for what I'm doing. I'm just bending this 1" by 16th wall round tube. And I could probably get away with bending it with a manual conduit bender, but I really wanted to build this and just kind of use what I had in the garage. And hopefully this is going to make some really crisp bends. So I'm just going to demonstrate the motion for you without a pipe in there, just because it's tacked up right now. So that's all there is to it, guys. That's going to be about a 90-degree bend right there at the most. And I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think I'm going to need to go much more than 90. In some cases, I might be able to get away with a little bit more by bending the tube kind of into the frame. But I think 90 degrees is just fine. So I'm going to go ahead, start stacking some dimes on here and get it all welded up. Well, I kind of screwed up. I meant to take a nice time lapse of me welding. Well, guys, I kind of screwed up. I meant to take a nice time lapse of me welding up this bender, but my phone storage was full. So this thing's fully welded up. Got some nice dimes on there. Nice dimes everywhere. And this thing's ready to go. So I'm bringing it to you live. I'm going to bend this tube and we'll see if this thing breaks. So let's get pumping here. Things are happening. Well, I think this jack is a little bit low. Well, guys, that's about all the time I have to spend on this thing tonight. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe and like this video. And if you want to see more things, let me know. Thanks for watching.